Good morning. So today for our third seventh grade review day, we're working on expressions and equations. This is one of the biggest units we work on in eighth grade. We start with solving equations, we graph linear equations, looking at those relationships. We even move into systems of equations where we're trying to figure out what x and y is. So I'm hoping this seventh grade review is one of the easier worksheets for you. The first two problems use the distributive property to rewrite each expression. The fact that it's an expression, there's no equal sign, you are not trying to figure out what x equals. You are just trying to simplify as much as possible. For the next two, for 3 and 4, that's when you want to solve for x or solve for your variable. You're trying to use inverse operations to cancel and then to simplify. So let's see. For problem solving, the problem's on the bottom. I just want to read them out loud, see if I can help you out. Number 5, Nora needs at least $115 for a new cell phone. So that phrase, at least, we already know we're going to probably be working with an inequality. She has already saved $45. She earns $7 an hour at her job. That sounds a lot like slope-intercept form to me. We have a starting point 45, something she already has, and then she's earning $7 an hour from there. Write and solve an inequality to find how many hours she will need to work to buy the phone. So make sure in your daily log you have the inequality and that answer, how many hours it should be at least. Number 6, the perimeter of the garden, so the sum of all the sides all the way around is 8x plus 5 units. We want to find the length of the missing side. So if we add up all three of these, what's missing, that would get us to 8x plus 5. We do not need to figure out what x equals. For number 7, Gloria needs 2/5 of a yard of ribbon to make each bow. Write and solve an equation to find how many bows she can make with 8 yards of ribbon. This is another one where you really want to be logical about what makes sense. If you need to guess and check, that's okay, but otherwise I'm curious to see how you guys do with number 7. And then number 8, the area of a rectangular rug is 3x plus 9 square units. Factor 3x plus 9 to find possible dimensions of the rug. If you've forgotten what that means, it's almost like undistributing. It's like saying what could have possibly been distributed to an expression where I'd end up seeing 3x plus 9. So you want to think about what this value here could be that would distribute. In other words, you're thinking, are there common factors in 3x and 9 that you could divide out? Good luck.